Hello everyone, welcome to Data Analytics Professionals, and I'm Shahnaz Malik. Let's quickly jump into today's lecture topic. Just to remind all of you that this is a lecture series about AWS and machine learning, and if you have joined from this lecture, I suggest to watch other lectures because they are all informative and I hope you will like them. Now, current topic of this lecture is going to be about AWS identity and access management, and we are going to look into deleting AWS account aliases through console. And just to remind you that this is lecture number 12 in this series, and here are the steps so you can see them clearly. We need to go on, open the browser and hit this website, and once you type this address, you should be on the page something like this. Okay, all you need is sign in as I am user, and this is the account alias that we have created in the previous lecture. In this lecture we will just learn if we learn how to delete it basically. So we are going to give this account alias. You can give account ID, both will work. This will work only if you have created the one. So this is my administrator account and the password, and here I'm just signing in. And once I sign in, all I need to do is go into identity and access management, and if you are not here, you might be somewhere else. So I suggest open this service and just write here I am. Okay, and once you click I am, you should be on this page. Okay, and once you are on this page, here you see this is the I am user sign in link. If you directly type this, okay, this will work, but once we delete this dap hyphen administrator, and your one will be as you have created. Your one might be different than my one. So once I delete this, you'll see an account ID coming back here. So we need to go here into this customize and click here, and do you want to delete this alias and use the account ID, and just once I click delete, just see what happens here. So here it is. Okay, it's back into account ID, and this is what actually is given here, nothing special. So let's move quickly and test your progress. Write down everything you have learned from this and the previous lecture about AWS, especially about AWS identity and access management, and particularly, just check if you remember how to delete AWS account aliases through console, and I suggest to recreate the one so that you have both options available. So next topic of this lecture series is going to be about billing and cost management, and we are going to learn about set up billing alerts in AWS, and it's for all those who are interested to continue in this series. Now, before I wrap up this lecture, I would like to ask all of you, how do you rate this lecture and the presentation? And your feedback is really important for us, and the scale is 0 to 10, and where 10 is the best. Your feedback helps us to actually create lectures that will be more useful for all of you guys. With that, to say that this is now studio time back with me, and here I am, and I take a leave here, and I suggest you to watch this lecture until end, because there are some more slides coming in which will guide you to get more benefited from data analytics professionals. And I take leave, and you stay safe.